CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to play back recorded footage from your cameras that are connected to your Avalonix Premium Series DVR or NVR. So the app is called the MSS app, and I have the systems that I want to play back from already added to the app. You can see I have a gas station system and a warehouse system. To access the playback from these systems, I would first need to tap on the Playback tab at the top of the app. It's going to open the playback window, and in here, to add a camera, I need to tap the plus icon on one of the grid squares. So I could choose a camera from the gas station, and then I could choose another camera from the warehouse system. So this allows me to view playback from two different cameras in the same grid window on the mobile app. However, I'm going to focus on a single camera for this video. So I'm going to tap, hold, and then drag the second camera, and then delete it. To bring this camera into the full grid view, I just need to double tap on the camera, and then having selected it on my grid, you'll note that it now shows the timeline for the playback from the camera. So to adjust the timeline, I'm going to tap and hold, and then if I drag to the left, it's going to drag my timeline to the right, and then if I go to the right, it's going to drag my timeline to the left. So I can choose a time to play back. And then here on the top, underneath the video for my camera, are various playback controls. So then I can pause playback. To continue the playback, I would tap the play button again. I can choose the playback speed. So the default is 1x. My NVR and cameras support a playback speed as high as 8x or as low as 0.125x. So if I go to 4x playback, you note the cars in the background are moving rapidly. If I wanted to go back to the 1x playback or real-time playback speed, I would tap the center icon, which is the play button with a 1. It's going to pause playback and then bring it back to 1x playback speed, and then I would tap play to continue playback. If my camera had a microphone, I would tap the speaker icon and then be able to hear the audio playing from my camera. Last but not least, I can bring the camera into full screen view by tapping the button on the right hand side. To get back out of this view, I would tap on my screen and then tap the arrow at the left hand side. And then again, I could just get into full screen view by rotating my phone in landscape view, and it's going to do that as well, and then rotate it back into portrait view to get back to this screen. So I'm physically rotating my camera to make those changes. Next, there is a live view button. If I tap that, I could view the live view from this very camera. And then I would tap the playback button to get back to the playback screen. I can save a snapshot while I'm reviewing the footage by tapping the camera icon. And that's going to save this snapshot to the app. I could also save a video clip by starting the record. So I'm going to start recording. And then I would stop recording by tapping the camera icon again. So again, these are saved to the app. If I were to do this with the scissors icon, I would tap the scissors icon, then tap play. And then when I'm done recording that clip, I would tap the stop button. It says, "Are you sure you want to start downloading?" And I would tap OK to confirm that. So to find these files inside of the app, I need to tap the back arrow at the top left-hand side of the app, go into the Me tab at the bottom right-hand side of the app, and then I would need to tap the All button next to My Files. It's going to take me to the images that I've just created. So there's the video from 1347, and if I tap on the Images tab, I will find the image that I just took in the app. So I can back out of this screen. If I wanted to share or delete any of these, I would tap the pencil icon. I would select them by tapping them, and then I could share with the share button on the left, save them to my iPhone gallery in the middle, or delete them by tapping the trash icon. To back out of the Me and saved videos and images, you would tap on the left arrow at the top left-hand side, and then go back to Device on the bottom left-hand side, and last but not least, tap on Playback again to get to the playback window. One more time, I need to tap the plus button, tap on my recorder, and then bring in the camera that I was viewing. Then I can drag my timeline. Next would be the eye icon. So this works if your camera has AI features and will allow you to search for AI recording. And then down at the bottom, I can choose the date and time. So I focused on today that I have open, but you'll note on the 21st, there is recording for this channel. So if I were to tap that and click OK, then I could go to the recording for the 21st for this channel. And then at the bottom, I have different recording types. So this depends on the type of recording that you have scheduled on your NVR. So we have regular recording, alarm-based recording, motion recording, AI smart detection recording, smart detection motion, or smart detection human. So if I were to choose one of those and had those recordings, then I would be able to choose that record type and tap OK to get recordings only for that type of recording. Hopefully this video gives you a good overview of playing back footage from your Avalonix Premium Series DVR or NVR. Thank you for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.